Alright, so before we start this video, I gotta say, some of you might be highly upset. Some of you might be supportive and like it. And some of you might not give a fuck. But nah, this is no clickbait like the title says. So the subie is gone, bro. It's gone. The subie blew up. I'm just playing, bro. Yo, I know some of you are like, what the fuck? Nah, but the subie is gone. It's sold. I sold the Subaru. Thought I was gonna get struck by lightning or something. Yeah, man, Subie's gone. I sold it. Got a new car now. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Some of you actually follow me on Instagram that I talked to, so you know what it is. But shh, Subie's gone, bro. Sold it. I stripped it clean. Back to a virgin. Kept all my mods, and well, shit. Half my mods are already sold. Yep, stripped it clean, sold it, and bought this new car. I've always wanted this car. I've always wanted it since 2011, I would say. Finally got it, pulled the trigger, impulsive as shit. I was just like sitting there thinking about it. I was like, man, I want this car, but I can't afford both cars. I had to make the choice. And I lived by my man's Hans and his quote, you make choices and you don't look back. And that's what the fuck I did. Full send, got it, it's here. I already got mods ordered for this car. I'm not going to disclose what car it is, but if you guys want to guess, leave a comment down below what kind of car it is. Now, I know some of you already know, so don't cheat. But yeah, man, I'll give you a hint. I basically switched sides, I guess you could say, is a hint. A lot of you might be upset because the majority of my followers are Subie owners, and now that I no longer have a Subaru, and it's not a STI, I no longer have a Subaru in general, so kind of sucks, you know what I mean? But I do want to show my appreciation for all you that have been supporting me this whole way, liking my videos, leaving comments, hit me up on Instagram, asking me questions. That is why I do this. I don't do this to get paid, because I don't get paid making these videos. I make them because I love to make videos and I want to help people out. But so to show my appreciation, I am doing a giveaway. I'll explain how you win in my next video. You're gonna have to watch the next video. It's already edited and done. I just gotta post it, but I'm gonna wait to post it probably till next week. But anyways, I digress. I will explain what you need to do to win. I'll pick 2 winners, but I'll show you the lineup right now of which you can possibly win. And here it is. All right, fellas, so this is the lineup for the bottom tier. So you could choose, these are wheel caps, the black with red WRX. This is the IBR EGR delete kit. Now these are the inserts that you can put in your like cup holders and door jams and stuff like that. And I also got these red covers that go over your knobs. There's these, there's Cipher. They go on your seat belts. You can either put them on the cross your chest or cross your lap. All right, now this is the DRL harness. If you have sea lights or you want sea lights and you want the sequential, you need this harness. It's like 20 bucks. And here are just 2 Grimmspeed license plate covers. Your color of stickers. There's red. I don't know if you can see camera. This is blue, white, and gray. And this is the banner, the big Grimmspeed banner that goes across the front windshield. This is white. And these are just the stock WRX badges. I left the black and red ones on my car. This is the red overlay that goes over your taillights to make them all red. And then this is the pinstripe that goes over your glove box, like the STIs. So that is the lineup for your choice on bottom tier. Now, let's get to the top tier shit. The good shit. Bam, this is the top tier lineup. So we got your choice of SYM defrost gauge mount. This is your IAG TGV deletes, just the upper. Brand new, never even used them. This is your Grimmspeed pulley cover, red. Got the hardware also, obviously. This is your JCS A pillar 3 gauge pod. There is a crack somewhere, like a small little crack. I mean, it's not visible, but I know it's there because I did it. It's like a small little crack right here, but you can't see it and shit, and it's still solid. But yeah, just a heads up on that one. Your choice of, this is the race style Grimmspeed pitch stop mount. I literally have like 5 miles on this. And last but not least, the Cobb knob, black, red. I had this on the car for I think like 2 days. Feels really nice though. I really liked this knob. Those are your choices for top tier. Like I said, you get to choose one choice from over here and one choice from the bottom tier. 2 of you. So yeah, man, you get to pick one item from bottom tier, one item from top tier. 2 of you get to do that. I know you don't know what to do yet. You got to watch my next video to find out. But I mean, your chances of winning is pretty good. Most people that do giveaways have like thousands and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. I got like, I think a little over 100. You have a really good chance. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching my videos, hitting the like button, commenting, adding me on Instagram. I appreciate it. I will always be here. I know the Subaru, so I'll always be here if you have questions or anything like that. But I do want the 2022 STI. I do want it. I want to peep it first when it comes out. I'm not gonna get it right when it comes out. I'll see, you know what I mean? But as far as like this channel goes, my last video might be my next video might be my last video. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I guess I just gotta wait and find out. I might do some kind of thing like change the channel up to where, you know, I get a car and I mod it, review it, drive it, drift it, shit, raise people, shit like that for that extended period of time that I have that car, sell it, get a new one, do the same thing, sell it, get a new one, you know what I mean? But unfortunately, I don't have enough money to have 2 race cars, I guess you could say, or 2 really nice cars. I only have enough to have 1. I'm saving up now to get a little hoopty, you know what I mean? But until then, yeah, until I can save enough money to have actually 2 good cars at one time, then I got to do it this route, I guess you can say. The car that I got is nice. It is nice, man. I mean, I love it. I've always wanted one, and I have it now, and I love it. And another hint, it sounds fucking amazing. Oh, man. That probably just gave it away right there. Watch my next video. It's going to be one of those built my stage 3 WRX in 10 minutes or 15 minutes or whatever. I forgot how long the video is, so you know, it's going to be one of those videos. And then somewhere in that video, I'll let you guys know what to do in the comment section and how I'm going to pick 2 winners. Hit that notification button so you don't miss it. And yeah, good luck. The 2 winners that win, I will ship those out UPS, probably like 3 days. Depending how much 2-day delivery is, who knows? Who knows? But yeah, again, thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. I appreciate it. I do it for you guys. So yeah, man. Peace out.